Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Michael Sterling Wash in Central Kentucky. There's a million videos out there in pressure washing. I want to do something maybe a little different for you. The corporate that essentially keeps us all in business. I wish I could capture this sitting on my truck. You guys and ladies know more about it down south, but let me see if I can capture this. In Kentucky, not as bad. Can't really see it. Get the right angle, you can see it. But anyway, what I'm trying to do, there's some. That's pollen. That's the root of everything that we remove, we clean. It starts all the Gliocaps, magma, all the black stuff on these houses, concrete. That's your true money maker. This stuff right here, that yellow looking stuff, the stuff that bees love. Pollen. It's not your enemy, it's your business partner.